Welcome to Be Yoga, Be Your Own Guide. This is day 20 of the 30-day evening meditation series. And tonight's practice is for the woman who is tired, maybe physically, maybe deep in her bones tired, maybe kind of tired that comes from holding too much, giving too much, pausing only once it hurts. Know that you are here now, and that's enough. Let's begin with the practice. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, somewhere that feels quiet and safe. And once you settle in, close your eyes gently if it feels okay for now. Or maybe simply soften your gaze if closing eyes is too much. Allow your arms to rest gently by your side or on your lap. Allow the belly to soften up, loosen up like a child, how the child breathes. When the child breathes in, the belly goes up and softly comes down, just like that. Taking a slow breath in through the nose and exhaling gently through the mouth. With the next inhale, allowing the breath to go deep into the belly, into the pelvic floor. And once again, exhaling through the mouth with a sigh. Whew. Nothing to do, nothing to fix, nothing to change, nothing to force. For a few moments, just allow things to happen. Bringing awareness to your body, just to be with it for a few moments, noticing the spaces and places within this body. Noticing any spaces that maybe feel nice, any spaces maybe that feel kind of neutral, and any spaces that might feel tight, tired, unpleasant. Wherever you find something, just breathe in there. Just breathing in, creating some space, and allowing for whatever needs to shift and change to just happen on its own. Acknowledging whatever is present, wherever it's present. Allowing your breath to as if say, I see you. I'm here with you. For now, I choose to not suppress you, not fix you, but to let you be, give you space. Burnout isn't just exhaustion, it's this sense of this quiet ache of being stretched past your edge again and again and again without a space to return to yourself. And so tonight, this here is that space for you to just let go and return to yourself. And as you exhale, imagine the day slowly leaving your body for now. Not at once, just breath by breath through your shoulders, relaxing, releasing, through your chest, gently opening up, through your hands, easing out, through your hips, opening up, without any need to carry anything from the day into this restful night. With each exhale, breath by breath, let it go, let it go, let it go. If it feels okay, then now bringing one hand to your chest, palm facing to the chest, and the other hand palm facing the belly, on the belly. And just notice how it feels like to be here. You with you, nothing more, nothing less. Nothing to manage, nothing to prove, nothing to hold, nothing to do. Just be with you. Breathing deeply into your lower belly as you support yourself with your hands. Feeling your hands rise and fall with the in and out breaths. And maybe repeating softly, gently, it's okay to stop. It's okay to rest. I allow myself to stop for now. I allow myself, my body, my being to rest, to rejuvenate. I allow myself space. I allow myself to come back to myself. I allow myself to receive support. I allow myself to let go, let go, let go. This body, your body is maybe like a machine, but it's not a machine. She's not meant to run endlessly, thoughtlessly. You don't need to squeeze healing into your schedule. It begins by just doing a little less. By being with whatever is. By learning and allowing yourself to be okay with what is. And notice at this moment if any part of you feels the pressure to perform, to be productive, to hold it all together, maybe to even be everything to everyone. With your next exhale, allow it all to go. Allow the sigh to release the pressure. Loosen this pressure so that it begins to dissolve, even if just a little bit for now. Maybe silently allow yourself to hear these words and even repeat these words to yourself. Tonight, for now, I choose me. I choose myself. I choose myself. I choose to be me. I choose to be okay with what is. And now I invite you to imagine a warm light beginning to rise from as if beneath you. It's rising from somewhere at the bottom of the spine, the tailbone, the root chakra. It's slow, steady, supportive. And as it rises, it begins to gently and slowly fill your entire body, moving upwards. Hips, belly, chest, throat, face. Remember, nothing for you to do. Let the light do its job. Let it do what it knows how to do, to gently hold you in its warmth. You're allowed to be held. Allowed to be held in your own energetic being. Allow yourself to be supported by the energies present in this moment. Allow this light to support your body, support your being, gently spreading warmth. We'll stay here for a few moments. And now slowly bringing awareness back to the breath, observing your body breathing in its own rhythm. And notice how the breath, probably in this moment, is gentle, steady, rhythmic. Slow in and out your nervous system, slowly remembering how to soften, how to return. And now allow these words to go deep within, and if it feels okay, maybe even repeat them. It is safe to rest. I am safe to rest. It is safe to heal. I am safe to heal. Even in the stillness, I am enough. In the stillness, I am enough. I can be in the stillness every single moment. The stillness always is. Breathe that in and let it land deep within you. Settle into that stillness and know that it always is. It's always present within. You can always come back to it. You can stay here for as long as you like. No need to move. No need to close out, wrap up. All you need to do right now is to be and allow your body to receive this moment in. The day is done. You've done all that was needed. You've given your best. You've been your best for today with all you had. Allow your body and your being to receive this moment, to receive the stillness, to receive the healing in the stillness. And from here, you can continue in this space. Allow yourself to drift into a deep healing sleep, staying right here in the presence, in the healing, in the stillness. Or if you want, you can begin to now gently start bringing movement back to your body, wiggling your fingers, your toes, maybe gently rolling your shoulders, and then placing your hands, palms towards the chest, over your heart center. And taking a moment of deep gratitude, bowing down to your own self. Thank you for showing up tonight. Even when you were so tired, you showed up. Even when it's hard, you show up. No matter what, you show up. Thank you. And thank you today for choosing you. Every single moment that you choose you nourishes you and in turn nourishes everything else that's around you. May you continue to choose you. May you continue to nourish you. May you continue to show up for yourself again and again and again, no matter what. Taking a few more breaths. And if you're wanting to come back to the physical space, then with the next few breaths, gently bringing to awareness the physical space that you're sitting in. And as you feel complete and begin to open your eyes, reorient yourself with the room, just looking at the room, looking around, looking at the walls, the windows, the door or the doors. And then again, as you come back to the physical space, taking a moment to carry your practice along with you. Carry the stillness, carry the deep inner stillness that's always there with you. I wish you all the very happiness, all the healing. I wish you warmth, and I'll see you in the next practice.